Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install MySQL database for the Windows operating system. So for that, search in the Google download uh, MySQL database for Windows. Let's go to the second link. We have to click on this MySQL community downloads. Here it will show the MySQL community server. First we have to install this community server. So since my laptop is installed with the Windows 64-bit, and here I can have selected 9.0.1 and Microsoft Windows. I have already downloaded the this installer. So you have to download this Windows MSI installer to install the MySQL community server. Now once you download this, double click on this MySQL 9.0.1, click on next, accept the license agreement, click on next. Now I want to install all the program features from this MySQL server, so I will click on complete and install. Click on yes. Now it will install the MySQL configurator. Let's click on finish, click on yes. I will click on next. Since okay, so by default install all these MySQL database softwares in the C drive program data. I want to change it and I want to install in in this location, so I have changed it. If you don't want to change it, you can keep it the same drive. I will click on next. By default the port number will be 3306. I won't change anything. Let's click on next. Here it will look for the password. I have put the password. If you want to add any user, you can add, click on add a user and provide a detail here. Now I will click on next. So Windows service name is the one which is used to run the MySQL server. So I will show you at the end of the video where you can see whether your MySQL server is up and running or not. Now for now we'll click on next and proceed ahead. We have to provide the permission. So we have already selected here yes. Click on next. I'll select both checkbox so that this setup will create both database for me as a default and we can explore the same. We'll click on next. Now we'll click on the execute. Now this configurator will execute all these steps, prerequisite step to complete the software installation. Okay, here we go. If you can see the configuration MySQL server 9.0.1 was successful. Let's click on next. Now the MySQL server installation is successful. If we go to the uh, Windows menu, if you select here, if you see here, the recent softwares will be shown here. I'll click on this. I will provide the password. We can see whether we are able to connect or not. Yes, we are able to connect. Now it is showing the further options to search for the help. Let's put. So now we have got all those commands which we can use to interact with the command line interface. But most of the time when we work on the Java applications, we used to interact with the uh, MySQL workbench. So for that I will show you how you can install that one as well. For that you have to go to Google and search for MySQL workbench. Now by default it is showing the path. So here it is firstly it is showing for the Mac, so first we have to change to Microsoft Windows. So since I have already downloaded this to save my time, you can download it and start for proceed for the installation process. Now I have already downloaded, so now I will run this setup. Click on next. Now here also I will change the path. If you don't want to change it, you can keep as it is. I want to install my MySQL software in my A drive, so that's why I have changed it. Click on next. We'll select the complete setup. Click on install. Yes. Yeah. Now we will click on finish. It will just take few seconds to launch the workbench MySQL. Since we have installed our as MySQL server already, so that's why it is saying like here the connections already available. So you can click on this local instance MySQL 90 with the account of root. Here we can see it is showing two default schema which we have selected during the installation process. If you click on this word, here it is showing the tables and which it has created by default. So if you click on this small icon, it will open the query editor and it will execute the same query. If you want to execute again, you can click on this. Here you can see the data. So here the word is the schema name, database schema name, and the cities, country, and country languages are the tables, which has few of the predefined columns. So now I wanted to show you where we can see the whether MySQL server is up and running or not. Press window plus R. Here you can search, you can put services.msc. Click on OK. Now here you need to search with the MySQL 90. This is the service name for Windows to make the MySQL server up and running. Sometimes if you are not able to connect with the MySQL database and getting some network adapter establishment failure error, you can stop from here and you can rerun again. So that's all I wanted to show you regarding the MySQL database software. You can explore more from this workbench.yam from the MySQL workbench. If you want to learn more about it, please let me know. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you today. uh, if you would have liked the video fruitful, then please hit the bell icon and like and subscribe the video for the future videos. Yeah, thanks for watching.